Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download color themes from Adobe Color, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download color themes from Adobe Color, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Adobe Color, which is color.adobe.com. Once the page loads, take a moment to explore the various color themes available. You can browse through the popular themes, or you can search for a specific color scheme using the search bar. If you find a theme that you like, click on it to view the details. On the theme page, you will see an option to save or download the color palette. Click on the Save button, which will prompt you to log in to your Adobe account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. After logging in, choose the option to save the theme to your library. This will allow you to access the theme later in your Adobe applications. If you prefer to download the theme as a color swatch, look for the download icon. Clicking on the download icon will provide various file formats you can choose from. Select your preferred format, usually ASE or PNG, to start the download. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. You are now ready to import the color theme into your design software. Open your preferred Adobe application, such as Photoshop. Go to the Swatches panel and find the option to load swatches. Select the downloaded file from your Downloads folder. Your new color theme will now be available for use in your projects. Experiment with the colors and let your creativity flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.